Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Janie. On this channel I typically do videos on Squishmallows, Build-A-Bear, Loungefly, Squishables, Pusheen stuff, anything that I think is cute. Today we're talking about the October Halloween edition of Pusheen Box, which is a subscription service that releases a box every season. I've been subscribed to them for the past 6-7 years since the creation, and I was really late for putting up the summer box. Sorry about that. It wasn't a priority because I know these videos don't perform well, but we have the Halloween one here. It's Halloween, so let's get started. So the box is like a light purple. It has vampire teeth in the front, and I'm excited about this one, honestly. I don't know any of the items. I'm going to do this completely blind. Here is a look at the art for the card. Each one of these boxes come with a little card that tells you all the information on what you're getting. And here's a quick look at what's inside. I'm excited about this. I definitely love when they have apparel. So this is a vampire cap. Let's see what that looks like. So it's the same color as the box. It's a very soft kind of blanket material, but it does have like a softer satin-like inside. And it's just like a robe, I think. It's a cape, but I don't know if it like has arm sleeves. Yeah, it's just a cape with 2 buttons to close it up. So let's put it on. So let me put this cape on because I was confused. Yeah, it's just a button clasp, depending on how tight you want it. And yeah, so it's kind of like a blanket, obviously shaped like a cape, and it does have a hood, so let's check that out. So sorry, I have a lot of hair. Okay. So here's the artwork. In fact, a vampire with little floppy ears. It is actually quite cozy. So here's what it looks like. Just drapes, real nice. It's very gloomy outside, so that's why I have a light on, and it kind of affects the close-up. Honestly, this is probably going to be my favorite out of the box, just because it's so cozy. Alright, I'm going to keep it on. Why not? It says here, snuggle up for a spooky movie with this comfy, cozy bat wing cape. Awesome. I'm a sucker for these. Next, we have some planner stickers. They've given us sticker sheets before, but never labeled as planner stickers. So you have some crescent moons, you have Pusheen the vampire. Some of them she's eating a donut and like a Pusheen shaped coffin. This is very cute. It looks like there's 2 sheets here, so that's nice. And then there's a Pusheen journal. I love this vibrant purple. I think it's so beautiful. It says here it's a silver bullet journal to write down all your spells, and then stickers to decorate your journal with. Absolutely love this. This is adorable. I just want to open it. I doubt it's decorated on the inside, but I just want to take a look and see. It does feel really nice too, like the material. Yeah, it is decorated. Not the best binding, but it's not a big deal. So it's like dotted paper with some Pusheen detailings around the border. Honestly, I'm not mad about it. Next, we have a treat tote. This is cute because perfect for Halloween. And this did just come a week before Halloween, so I am super excited. So it's one of those little reusable tote bags. It kind of has like that shoulder design for it, so it's going to fit really nicely. I think it's really pretty. It has Pusheen, it has some crescent moons, those donuts, some of them are half eaten. It says carry all your treats in this tote. I like it, honestly. Not bad, not bad. I will be using this in some capacity. Probably not for trick-or-treating because I don't trick-or-treat anymore. But for running errands and stuff, it's a perfect reusable bag. Next, we have a trinket tray. It's hand wash only. Do not microwave. It is pretty cool, but let's take a closer look at it. This is what the box looks like. And this is the size of it. So it's shaped like a bat, and it has Pusheen on the inside. Like a darker version of Pusheen. This is cute. It almost looks like a cookie cutter, honestly. It's a cute tray to store your rings and trinkets. Yeah, I would only put like small pieces of jewelry here because it's not that big in terms of like the wideness of it, but it's pretty cute. I know. I can't help but describe these things like that. It is what it is. Let's keep going. We have 2 more items, and I think they're pretty good. So we saved the best for last. Every single one of these Pusheen boxes comes with an exclusive Funko Pop type of product. They're like little vinyl figures, and they're usually really, really amazing. It's probably my favorite part of the box every time, aside from the apparel. This one is Pusheen with vampire teeth chomping on a donut. Absolutely adorable. It's a chunky Pusheen. I'm excited about this one because these figures are so much fun to collect, and once you had a bunch of them, I think they're gonna look really nice displayed. Unfortunately, I have none of mine displayed just yet. I'm waiting till May when I move, speaking it into existence. But let's take a look. Oh my goodness, unbelievable. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Chunky Pusheen, snacking, spooky, adorable. I'm a fan, I'm a fan. Depending on the material, because I did take a look once I was holding this up. The next product, actually, let's see what it says. Get into the spooky spirit by adding this vampire, get it? Vinyl figure to your collection. So the next product looks pretty good, depending on the quality of the material that they're using. So let's see. This is a vampire goblet. How cool is that? That looks really pretty. It's hand wash only, not microwavable. Once again, that doesn't really bother me because I don't have a washing machine or like a dishwashing machine or a washing machine. I never have. So I wash everything by hand, so those kinds of instructions don't bother me. But I know with some people it's a make or break thing because people use their machines more than they do their hands. Okay, so I like it. I thought it was going to be like cheap plastic. I think this is 100% breakable. And it's absolutely beautiful. It is the perfect purple. It has that drippy blood kind of design on top. Pusheen. I love a good goblet. It's a little on the short side. It's not that tall, but that's not a problem. This makes me want to have like a glass of wine, even though I don't even drink. But honestly, probably my third favorite product of this box. So the first one would be the cape that I'm wearing. Very comfy, very cozy, very practical. You can wear it around the house even long after Halloween. I like the vinyl because it's a collector's item. It's fun, it's nice, it's going to look really pretty displayed on a shelf. And then this one I like just because, again, practical. You can use it anytime to drink anything you want, and I think it's also just a really nice decorative piece. I'm so clumsy that I would probably leave it as a decorative piece instead of actually using it. Probably my least favorite items would be the cookie cutter, not the cookie cutter, the trinket dish and stickers, I guess, or the journal. The journal's nice, but like, you know, it doesn't feel like a super high quality notebook, but it's fine. I mean, honestly, who cares? It's perfect for jotting down things. You guys, I forgot one item. It was on the floor. This is a bookmark. How cute. How cute. I'm a sucker for bookmarks. This is nice. I found it on the floor as I was cleaning up, and it's like kind of like that flexible material, but it's not paper, so that's nice. Like it's not paper. It's not like hard cardboard. It's like vinyl, or I don't know the material, but it's super cute. Super cute. It says use this bookmark in all your spooky holiday reads. So yes, really cute. I'm a fan. This box was good this year. So that is it for this video. Let me know how you're feeling down below. I hope you're having an amazing Halloween for those that celebrate. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye.